Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be walking you through a strategic 30-day advertising plan for Dr. Squatch, covering four key campaign types: broad, targeted, intention based, and newsletter sponsorship. Each of these campaigns plays a vital role in maximizing brand exposure, driving conversions, and ultimately boosting revenue. Let's start with the broad campaign. This approach is designed to cast a wide net and increase brand awareness among potential customers who may not be actively searching for Dr. Squatch products but fall within our target demographic. Our ad vendor will be Google Display Network. Our banners will be placed on high traffic lifestyle and grooming related websites. Our average transaction value is $35 with a conversion rate of 2%. Our exposure goal is 500,000 impressions. Our projected revenue is $35,000 with a total conversion of 1,000. Our revenue per view is $0.07 with a marketing value of 10,000. Ad spend to revenue ratio is 1 to 3.5, with our overall goal being to increase brand visibility and drive intentional customer engagement. Next, we have our targeted campaign, aimed at potential customers who have shown interest in natural grooming products. Our ad vendor will be Facebook and Instagram ads, with our ads being placed on carousel ads featuring Dr. Squatch's best selling products placed in users' social media feeds. Our average transaction value is $40 with a conversion rate of 3%. Our goal is 300,000 impressions. Our estimated revenue for this is $36,000 with a total conversion of 900. Our revenue per view is $0.12. Marketing profit value is $12,000 with an ad spend to revenue ratio of 1 to 3. Our overall goal is to retarget high intent users who have previously engaged with Dr. Squatch's content. This campaign is all about capitalizing on high intent searches, users who are already looking for products like ours. Our branded keywords include Dr. Squatch soap, best natural soap for men, organic shampoo for men, and Dr. Squatch's subscriptions. Our ads will be placed on Google search ads. The messaging and strategy. These ads highlight unique product benefits such as natural ingredients, rugged masculinity, and subscription convenience. Conversion strategies include limited time discounts and free shipping offers. Our goal is to reach an average transaction value of $45 with a conversion rate of 5%. Our goal is 100,000 impressions with a projected estimated revenue of $22,500 and a total conversion of 500. Our revenue per view is 0.22 with a marketing profit value of $8,000. Our ad spend to revenue ratio is 1 to 2.8 with our overall goal being to capture high intent traffic and drive immediate purchases. Finally, we have our newsletter sponsorship, leveraging trusted email publishers in the men's lifestyle and grooming space. We will sponsor a dedicated section in GQ's weekly grooming newsletter featuring a direct product recommendation. Our ads will be placed mid-section of the email next to trending grooming tips. Our average transaction value is $38 with a conversion rate of 4%. Our exposure goal is 50,000 impressions. The estimated revenue is $7,600 with a total conversion rate of 200. Our revenue per click is 0.15 with a marketing profit value of 2,500. Our ad spend to revenue ratio is 1 to 3, with the overall goal being to drive direct conversions and increase brand credibility through trusted industry sources. Together, these 4 campaigns form a strategic multi-channel approach designed to maximize Dr. Squatch's digital presence. The broad campaign builds brand awareness. The targeted campaign nurtures potential customers. The intent-based campaign captures high-intent buyers, and the newsletter sponsorship drives credibility and direct conversions. By implementing this plan, Dr. Squatch can achieve higher engagement, stronger brand recall, and increased revenue within the 30-day period. Thank you for your time, and I'd be happy to answer any questions.